Hello, my name is Mary Cynthia. I'm an associate at Olisa Agbakoba Legal. The Space Law Practice Group at our firm had our very first Space Law webinar on the 13th of July 2022. The webinar was themed Unlocking Nigeria's Space Opportunity, and it simplified space law and technology to the common man. During the session, we were treated with thoughts and opinions of various distinguished speakers, each of them with significant experience in the space industry. I thoroughly enjoyed when an Aggie spoke on the evolution of space law and its importance, starting from 1932 when Mandel of Perlstein began to talk about legal issues in relation to space, to 1957 when the Soviet Union, USSR then, launched the very first satellite to space, down till today when there are various activities going on in space. The webinar showed me that a lot of revenue can be made from the appropriate commercialization of space, with adequate policy, regulatory framework, and guideline for space objects and activities. Joshua Faleti opened my eyes to the multiple ways space is being used presently and how to commercialize it. Before the webinar, I for one never knew you could use the satellite up there in space to find the location of good source for farming on Earth. Dr. Kafayat suggested that basic space studies should be done in primary, secondary, and tertiary schools in order to trigger early interest among young students, with the government aiding investment in this. I most certainly agree with her. All in all, this webinar was supremely eye-opening and I learned so much. You should be excited anytime you hear that Olisa Agbakoba Legal is organizing a webinar. Once again, this is Mary Cynthia. Thank you so much for listening.